Hi everyone, I'm Beth with 50 Plus Beauty and glad you 50, 60, 70 plus beauties are here with me today. I am so excited to share my first Quince video with you. For about the past year, I've really been studying fashion, and it's just become kind of a passion of mine to determine how we can look and feel our best at 50, 60, 70 plus. And I'm thrilled to have you here with me today to share my fall favorites from Quince. And actually, this morning, I just pulled together my outfits, and I've got 10 outfits for you, but I could have probably gotten 30 outfits for you easily because I've been shopping a lot at Quince, and everything just mixes and matches so beautifully. Every time you buy something, it's kind of like you bought something for a capsule wardrobe because it all works together so well. And for those of you who don't yet know Quince, it's an amazing store. It is totally online and it is very, very reasonable in price. Everything is unbelievably reasonable, but more than that, not only is it reasonable, it is super good quality. About a year ago, I started studying fashion and really getting into finding out the rules or discovering the rules that could help us all as we get to be a bit more mature look our absolute best. And one of the most important things I discovered is that it's very important to get rid of the polyester and to get into fine natural materials. And that's what Quince helps us do. Quince has 100% cashmere, 100% merino wool, 100% organic cotton, all the best materials to compete with much higher end stores. But the most wonderful thing is you get all that great quality in materials and workmanship at a very, very reasonable price. You know, that has always killed me in the past because I always loved the idea of having a cashmere sweater, but the idea of spending $200 for it, I just couldn't see that. So at Quince, I will be showing you sweaters this afternoon, 100% cashmere sweaters that cost just $50. It is truly unbelievable. And the way they do it is they cut out the middleman. Quince does fashion merchandising in a whole new way. Basically, they work directly with the manufacturers, cutting out a couple of steps of middlemen or middlewomen in order to bring us the best quality at the lowest price. So I'll be showing you some outfits this afternoon, and these are a mix of more formal, more dressed up, and more casual fall outfits. If you'd like to have a casual fall outfit video, let me know in the comments section. And if you have had experience with Quince and you have your favorite pieces, please list those down in the comments section so as a community we can all learn how to look better together. And I will be numbering each outfit so that you can go down into the comments section. I'll also pin the first comment so that you can see exactly what items I am wearing in each individual outfit. Now, the first outfit is this gorgeous 100% cotton cashmere. I guess it's a blend, but it's cotton and cashmere, no polyester here. It's a dolman sleeve sweater, and it is very, very lightweight. In fact, it is still really summer in Kansas, and it is very, very comfortable. It's absolutely a beautiful fine weave sweater, and I have it paired with something that I love at Quince, which is their accessories. This is their 100% Italian leather Allegra belt, and I think it's in the color dark brown. And then I have it paired with these kitten heels, and these are in the color coffee bean. And I made the mistake a few months ago of ordering some Cole Haan heels online. Actually, I got them from eBay and I couldn't return them. But almost the minute I got them out of the box, they hurt my feet. And I realized, I'm 68 years old and I can no longer wear, good size heels, not even stilettos. I can't even wear like a 3-inch heel without it hurting. And I'm not going to hurt anymore. But I do want to look fashionable and elegant and modern. And these kitten heels do the trick for me. I own them in black and in this coffee bean brown, and I'm really tempted to buy the beige color they have because these are the only shoes that I have from Quince at this point, and they're such good quality and they're super comfortable because all Quince shoes have this padded insole. Then they're 100% Italian leather, and I found that this mule style really does feel super comfortable because your foot is not smushed in anywhere. And these are great with jeans, pants, and dresses. Okay, in this next outfit, I have on this gorgeous 100% cashmere tee, and it is somewhere in the $30+ and it is super, super versatile. And I own this in black and red. I got their crimson red color, which is just gorgeous. And I have it paired with these fabulous Ponte knit pants. And if you have never worn Quince Ponte knit pants, you really need to get a pair. Look at the fine weave of these pants, and they absolutely just hug your curves in all the right places. I don't even have curves in the back, and they make me look like I have a good figure back there, which is pretty amazing. And really, I had stopped ordering pants from most online stores because they just never fit me. They always, look bad, and I had to return them. But these Ponte pants are fabulous, and I've seen them on women of all shapes and sizes, and they look just as good. And these Ponte knit pants are, I think, $50, and they compare with Ponte knit pants up to $250. And actually, if you go to the Quince website and start looking around there, in every piece they have, they compare it with a higher end, or at least a higher cost version. And these are fabulous pants. And somewhere in that video, I also have these pants paired with this gorgeous brown 100% cashmere crew neck sweater. And this is the crew neck that made Quince famous. It is only $50. And look at that. I wish you could feel this. It's got gorgeous ribbing around the neck and gorgeous ribbing around the cuffs. And I think it's just gorgeous. And I have it paired with brown accessories, including this brown Allegra belt, those kitten heels that I showed you before, the brown kitten heels, and also the only purse that I have from Quince at this point, which is this Italian leather box bag, and it is fabulous. It smells like leather, and I love the burnished gold hardware. And that is something that I learned in studying fashion for the last months, and that is that while polished gold is good, sometimes you really should combine it with burnished gold. And especially in a purse, the burnished gold makes it look like you've had this for a long time and it's just something you pulled out of the closet, kind of a quiet luxury feel. And near the end of that outfit, I do put on this gorgeous 100% merino wool shacket. It's a coat jacket, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the texture of that gorgeous merino wool. It's very finely made. And look at those great buttons. From the gorgeous sewing detail to the great buttons, Quince helps us look our absolute best, and I think this is, very reasonable. Now, in this next outfit, I've again paired this gorgeous 100% cashmere crew neck tee in the color ivory. I've paired that with the pants I have on now, which I believe they're called espresso. I think that's the color. But they're the Ponte knit boot cut pants, I believe. I'll list it below. And then I have this gorgeous Allegro belt on in the color dark brown. And then to finish off the outfit, I again have the box bag and those lovely kitten heels. And one thing that I think is really neat about Quince is that they have super fine quality accessories. In fact, when I was ordering Quince belts, I also ordered some from Ann Taylor, and I ended up sending them back because they were very much missized and they just look cheap compared with the leather accessories you can get at Quince. And what I did was I purchased black accessories, brown accessories, and also ivory accessories. And basically that gives you kind of an accessory kit you can use to accessorize any outfit. Now in this next outfit, I'm wearing this cotton cashmere ribbed long sleeve sweater, and it is extremely lightweight. It is absolutely perfect for fall. And I get it in the color XS, extra small. I have this in charcoal. I have it in brown. I have it in an ivory color, and I might have it in navy blue. I'm not sure. If I don't, I need it. But I absolutely love this, and it can be dressed up or down very easily. And in this outfit, I have it dressed up with these black Ponte knit boot cut pants. And again, I wear them in a size extra small, and I think they're absolutely fine quality and gorgeous. I had purchased one pair of Ponte knit pants from a high-end store, and I think I spent like $160 on them. And I wore them like a lot for about 3 or 4 years, and they were skinnies, so they went out of style. But these at $50 are an incredible bargain. And then I have the accessories in black, as you would expect, but this is a gorgeous new black quince belt that I just got. I have the black Allegra, which is a simpler version of this belt, but this is the Elisa Triple Keeper belt, and look at that bling. Absolutely fabulous. And then I have it paired with this gorgeous cloud-like purse, and this is similar to one that Quince has on its website. It's called the Naomi 100% Italian Leather Clutch, and I have it in black here. And again, I have the black kitten heels. This is the counterpart to the coffee bean brown kitten heels. Very, very comfortable, and all together this makes a very easy and effortless fall outfit. Now, in this next outfit, it's casual, but yet it still has an elegant edge due to this gorgeous 100% washable silk blouse in black. Absolutely gorgeous. And I have worn some Lily silk blouses before, and quite honestly, they just sit in my closet. But I wear the washable silk from Quince. I don't know, there's something about the drape of it that just looks so elegant. Absolutely love this, and I have washed it several times. I put it in a mesh bag in with a normal wash, but I do hang it dry. Absolutely wonderful. And I've paired it with this gorgeous pair of Quince wide leg jeans. The Quince Bella jeans are high-waisted compared with the Lunas, which are a bit lower. So I generally favor the high-waisted jeans. So I love these Bella jeans. And these are almost 100% cotton, but they have a little something in them that gives them just a bit of stretch. And I really like that because it does hug you in all the right places. And by the end of the day, it is not looking baggy. These jeans keep their shape beautifully. And almost all of the jeans on the Quince website are only $50. And they're really comparable to much higher end jeans. And I have this outfit paired with the black Quince Allegra belt. This is the simpler version of the black belt I just showed you. This is, I think, $50, super good quality. And then I have it paired again with the kitten heels, the black kitten heels, super versatile, and this gorgeous Teddy Blake purse. And I can't remember what style this is, but I'll link it down below the video. Absolutely love this. Apparently, structured bags are all the rage. And I really think a structured bag just gives you a little bit of added elegance. Now, this next outfit is just a true classic. It's very simple, but yet very elegant. This is the gorgeous cashmere sweater from Quince in black. This is the $50 cashmere sweater, again with the good neck detailing and the good sleeve detailing. Absolutely gorgeous. I wish you could feel this. If you order nothing else, I would order the cashmere $50 sweater. It's amazing. And I have it paired with a different version of the Bella jeans. These are the Bella Kick Flare jeans. They have a little flare at the bottom. You can hardly see that there. Just a little flare, and they're, above ankle, which if you've never done that before, this was about the first time I really was comfortable in above ankle jeans, but these are fabulous. Then I have the outfit paired with black accessories. Again, the black Allegra belt and the black kitten heels. Now, in the next outfit, I paired navy blue with brown, which they used to say you shouldn't do, but now lots of people do it and it looks fabulous. This is the 100% washable silk button-down shirt in the color, I think it's called Hot Fudge. That's it, Hot Fudge. But look at that. I wish you could experience this in person. It's so soft, and just the drape of these silk blouses is amazing. And then I have it paired with these navy ponte knit pants. And I think these are the boot cut pants, and they fit like a glove. They're fabulous. And I wear them in the size extra small. And I have used brown accessories, and this is the brown Allegra belt. Absolutely love it. And the brown kitten heels and coffee bean. Now, in this next outfit, I combine some very simple items, and all together it makes a very, very elegant look. I've started with this gorgeous cashmere sweater from Quince, the $50 cashmere sweater. Absolutely love that. And I paired it with these black ponte knit pants. And I believe these are the boot cut pants in the size extra small. And to make it a bit more special, I went all blinged out. And this is the Elisa Triple Keeper belt in black Italian leather. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course, I have the black kitten heels on. Super, super versatile shoes, and I think they're only about $80. In this next outfit, I've gotten a bit more casual. I'm wearing another version of the cotton cashmere ribbed sweater. And again, it is super lightweight, so it's perfect for fall, very form-fitting. And if you're curvy or straight, it looks good on you. And I have it paired with these espresso pants, which is basically brown. And I have them in the Ponte knit. I think these are the boot cuts, and they're the size extra small. And I again have the Allegra brown Italian leather belt, and I'm wearing the brown kitten heels. And towards the end of that little modeling video, I've switched out the ivory rimmed sweater for this gorgeous chocolate hot fudge brown 100% washable silk button-down shirt. Absolutely a gorgeous, gorgeous outfit. Now, this next outfit features a maxi skirt, but on top I have this gorgeous 100% washable silk halter top. And I own this in the gorgeous champagne color and also in the blue. I wore the blue to a rock concert not too long ago and it was fabulous. But I love this little halter top, and I have it paired with this brown washable silk, 100% washable silk maxi skirt. And basically, it has a very wide little elastic waistband, super comfortable. And you can roll that up like 3 times and create a midi skirt out of it. In fact, looking at myself in the little monitor here, you could actually wear the brown dolman sleeve sweater with this skirt. I think that would look great. And I have it paired with a black Allegra belt and the kitten heels. And the purse that looks like the Quince Naomi purse. This is a dupe for the Cloud purse, which is super expensive. And I think the Quince version is about $130. Now, this last outfit is the quintessential little black dress. And I actually wore this to a funeral lately, and it was fabulous. It was a very sad funeral because it was a younger woman, but this was a great, great dress. It is 100% cotton cashmere. I guess that makes it a cotton cashmere blend, but the ribbing I find really is slimming and elongating. And you can get this fabric in several different dresses, including one with long sleeves, which I'll show you if you prefer long sleeves. I have it with a black Allegra belt, the kitten heels, and again, this Cloud purse, which I think it's wonderful to have a little clutch bag in your closet. I actually own this in cognac and in black. And if I want to formalize my outfit, look a little more elegant, I just throw this on instead of a shoulder bag. Absolutely great. And let me go ahead and show you the long sleeve version of that dress because I own it in brown for long sleeves. So this is basically my winter little black dress, but it is brown. I asked Alan if I should exchange it for black, and he said no, he really loved the brown. And the neat thing about this dress, it has the ribbing as well, and it's very form-fitting. But if it isn't form-fitting enough for you, here is a little tie on the back to kind of bring in the waist. Although I didn't need that with this dress at all, I really feel like, just as with almost all these other Quince items, I will have this dress for many years to come. Well, thank you so much for being here with me for my Quince fall favorites. And actually, I'd be glad to do another video for you because I do have many more outfits that are for fall. And let me know in the comments section if you'd like me to do some videos on the fashion rules that I've been learning over the past year, because I think they're a wonderful way to help us look our best every single day. And you know, when we look good, we feel good, and that's a wonderful thing. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.